These go to the corners like this. So first thing first, this is electrical tape, but use any kind of type of tape. I just put it next to the wall. Second is mark it. I'm not going like this because then you will see the mark. Once we glue it, you will see the mark and it's difficult to remove it. So I go under it, behind this, just like 2 or 3 millimeters all the way. This is what I'm using, exactly the same one inside here. There's no English, just in German. This is not silicone, even this says no silicone. This is glue. You cannot, I repeat, you cannot use silicone with this. No silicone. It says in German, no silicone. I have marked it until the end successfully. I tried to put glue on it first, bottom and top, but believe me, don't do it. It's crazy. It's very messy. So we put glue on here and on here, just under the line. If you put glue on this, it's going to be really messy. And if glue comes out down here, so if glue comes out here, it's extremely difficult to get rid of it. Very difficult. So this is why we are working neatly and not putting glue on here. And I cannot go further, so I do the top as well, just below the line, 1 or 2 millimeters, all the way from here until there. I don't have to hurry, but I cannot be too slow because it dries. It doesn't dry very quickly, but it does dry, so you need to pay attention to that. Now you can see there's glue everywhere. Put it here so glue doesn't go onto the floor. And now just lift this up and push it next to the wall. As you can see, there's plenty of glue. So we've done a good job. As I said, we must wipe this immediately. This is a big problem.